friends, I'm Chef Deepak Gautam. So today we are going to make Rajasthan's famous dish Dal Bati. So for this we will require ghee, red chili powder, soda, semolina, salt, cumin seeds, turmeric, green chili, onion, wheat flour and mixed pulses. So firstly we will prepare the dal. For that we will require around 3 teaspoons oil. We will put it in a pan. So firstly we add cumin seeds to it, then chopped onion, and we'll fry it for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll add chopped green chilies. After that a little turmeric powder, red chili powder. We'll add a little water to it. We have already soaked the pulses overnight. So now we can add the pulses